Good morning, Team Cuisine. I'm going to make something easy. My babe woke up this morning and was like, I'm hungry. So I said, go to the store, get some steak. I'm going to make you an easy steak and eggs in the air fryer. Yes, you heard it. Steak and eggs is going to be in the air fryer. So I have my steaks here. They have all been cleaned. And now we're just going to go ahead and season our steaks. And I'm just going to start off with a little pepper. And these are things that you have already in your cabinet. You don't have to go out and get anything special. Like I said, this is something quick and easy on a Saturday morning. I have more pepper, but this is done. So you know I gotta have my adobo that I love. And I'm just gonna sprinkle a little adobo on. And listen guys, you season to your taste. And then I have Mrs. Dash garlic and herb, which is one of my favorites. I'm learning to love. It has helped me out a lot with my blood pressure. So I'm going to sprinkle a little of this on. Okay. I have some garlic powder. I love garlic. Garlic is good for you. I have a little onion powder. And I have one of the most important items I'm going to put on this steak is going to be that liquid smoke. And that's going to give it that flavor as if it was outside on the grill. And you know what I forgot, Team Cuisine? I forgot my olive oil. So stay right here. Look at that liquid smoke soaking while I get my olive oil. Okay, Team Cuisine, I'm back with my olive oil. So I'm just going to put a little bit of olive oil on the steak. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you're old to my channel, what do I always do? I use my good old hands. My hands are clean. And what I'm doing right now is I'm just putting all of the spices and seasonings all over the steak, rubbing in the olive oil, the liquid smoke. I wish you all could smell this. It smells so good. And like I said, this is a quick, easy steak and egg meal in the morning. So we're not going to be doing any kind of marinating or anything like that. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to get my air fry basket to put my steaks in. Okay, I have my air fry basket, which is clean. And what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to place one steak in here. And that fits perfectly. I didn't spray it with any kind of olive oil or anything like that. I don't need that because I've already put olive oil on the steak. And now we're going to put our basket inside of our air fryer. Okay guys, so now as you can see, I have my steak inside of the basket. And then we're going to go ahead and slide it into my Philips air fryer. And Bae likes her steak medium, so I'm going to put it on 400. And I'm just going to turn it to 20 minutes. And we're going to flip this steak. I'm going to say maybe about 10 to 8 minutes left because you're going to see what I do with the eggs. They're going to cook at the same time. Okay guys, so I have about 8 minutes left on my air fryer. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to flip this steak over. I'm not the best person with using tongs, but I'm trying to get used to it. So that is what the steak looks like after it's been flipped over. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use my stacker. So I'm going to put my stacker in here. And that's what it looks like. And then I have my little pan. And I'm going to spray some Pam in here just to coat the pan. I'm going to set this on top, and then let's get our eggs. Just crack your egg. Season your eggs to taste. A little salt. A little pepper. That's what it looks like. And then we're going to go back over to our air fryer. Okay, now we're back over at our air fryer. The air fryer is still going, and it has about 5 minutes left. So now I'm just going to slide this in here. Keep in mind that the steak is at the bottom. And I'm just going to turn it on to maybe another 2 minutes. So it'll be like 7 minutes. So now you're cooking your air fry and your steak at the same time. Okay guys, Team Cuisine, there you have it. Air fried steak and eggs.